Which of the following numbers evenly divide both 85 and 119? Now, what this question essentially means is that there must be some whole number that, when multiplied by one of the options, say 1, gives you 85, and some other whole number, when multiplied by the same option, gives you 119. So let's start with 1. Is there any number that you can multiply by 1 to give you 85? Well, any number multiplied by 1 gives itself. So 1 multiplied by 85 gives you 85, and 1 multiplied by 119 gives you 119. So 1 evenly divides both 85 and 119. Now, what about 5? Is there any number that you can multiply by 5 to get you to 85? Well, let's divide 85 by 5. That's 17. So you can multiply 5 by 17 to get you to 85. And what about 119? Can you multiply 5 by some number to get you to 119? You get a remainder of 4 when you multiply 23 by 5. So no, you cannot multiply 5 by any whole number to get you to 119. So that's a no. Now, can you multiply 7 by any number to get you to 85? Well, you get a remainder of 1. So again, there's no whole number that you can multiply by 7 to get you to 85. And what about 119? So yeah, you can multiply 7 by 17 to get you to 119. But again, because you cannot multiply it by any number to get to 85, it doesn't evenly divide both numbers. Now what about 17? Can you multiply 7 by some number to get you to 85? Well, I think we covered that in the previous, in 5. So you can multiply 17 by 5 to get you to 85. And what about with 119? Well, we covered that here. So yeah, you can multiply 17 by 7 to get you to 119. So yeah, 17 evenly divides both 85 and 119.